Before, I tell everybody I was a decrepit old woman who I felt like I wasn't going anywhere. I was in a lot of pain from my toes all the way up to my neck. I'd get up in the morning and it was a struggle just to move, and I'd fight it very hard. I have Hashimoto's disease. I had high blood pressure, high cholesterol, acid reflux. I suffered from insomnia. So it was overall, it was awful. I just had, I was scared because I felt like I was going to die. I was on the verge of dying because everything was going bad for me. My experience at other doctor's offices, a regular medical, was just frustrating because for years they would give me drugs and prescription drugs. They were pushing it on me, and I don't like to take medicine personally, but in order to make the pain go away, I thought I would take it, but it never went away. It just made me feel worse. And they kept telling me I was old. I was 60 years old, and they told me to get used to it because that's how it was going to be. And I was just, it was very frightening because I'm a very active person, and this wasn't the way I wanted to live. As soon as I started integrative wellness, about 4 weeks after, I started noticing a remarkable change. I wasn't hurting as much. I had a lot of energy, and I take care of my mother and also 3 grandchildren. And before, it was getting to the point where I didn't know what I was going to do. Now, ever since I came to integrative, it's just been remarkable. I feel great. Instead of 67, I feel like I'm 37. And I've gotten my life back. And I have them to thank me for giving me the tools, the knowledge, and putting my life back together. The minute I felt like things were going right, it was exhilarating. I never felt like that in my whole life. I thought, for once, it's like I'm being rejuvenated, like the fountain of youth. And I was so excited. I wanted to dance. I wanted to tell the whole world that this is just wonderful. It was an experience that I would recommend to everyone. Working with Dr. Simmons has been wonderful. He's compassionate. He explains everything. When I first went to him and I told him what was happening, and he saw my blood work, after my blood work, he told me that I did have Hashimoto's. Before, I never knew that I did. I was just told that I had a thyroid problem and I had to take a pill for the rest of my life. But Dr. Simmons explained everything. I totally recommend integrative wellness if they want to improve their lifestyle. They're tired of feeling tired with no energy. These people, the people at staff at Integrative Wellness are very caring people. It's not like going to a regular physician's office where you sign in, you have to wait. Sometimes you wait an hour or 2, and then it's like a number. But here you're treated with care, and they really want to help you.